Josan. Oh yeah. Josan, happy Chinese New Year. Today, Papa is making a soup from this book that we got, Healing Herbal Soups by Rose Cheung and Genevieve Wong. It's a good book, a lot of visuals. They don't have everything, but they got some good stuff. So we're making a soup from this book. Papa's, there you go. So we're making Chayote, Chinese yam, Lotus Seed, and Makhana fish soup.
I didn't put for fish.
The Chinese yam, Wai San, right?
Yes.
That's
yes.
a Wai San.
Cut it in small pieces. They put the fresh one. I don't have it.
This is Wai San.
I buy the dry one.
So then you soak it in water overnight?
Right.
Okay. Wai San, what else? Lotus Seed.
Yeah.
Dim gong, 中文 dim.
Lin Ji.
Lin Ji, okay.
I put it in there.
Where's the Lin Ji?
Here's the Lin Ji.
This is a Lin Ji?
Yeah.
Show the camera, che. It looks like a nut.
I clean that branch.
Timed. Oh, che. There we go. Put it in?
Yeah. Put it in.
Okay.
Guo Pei.
Guo Pei. Orange peel.
Orange peel.
There's another one, the Makhana. This one. You don't add
No,
that? Chisat.
Yeah.
Chisat is Makhana.
It's like this.
It looks like another nut. Put it in?
Yeah, put in something. I soak it and clean it.
You soak it overnight.
No, 2 or 3 hours.
Okay.
And put some bone. I branch the bone.
You use what yolk? Jipa? Jigang yolk.
Bone.
Huh?
Thick bone.
And you put it in a pan with water.
Yeah.
You bring it up to a boil and then you dump out the water and now you put it in there.
Yeah, clean it up.
Mamma mia.
I get 4 container
Water.
water.
4 quarts of water.
And the Chayote.
Oh yes, chayote.
Add some
Yeah, dry lily bulb.
yeah, right. And I cut up a little bit this.
That's my favorite. Fujok.
Yeah, fujo.
And you soak it in water.
Yeah.
For 1 hour?
Overnight. I
Overnight?
put overnight. And then I cut it in small pieces. This cook half hour and then I add Chayote on there.
Oh.
And this too.
點解你唔加呢個 right now?
Because 你而家加落去個冚唪唥溶晒一啦，all are melted, you know?
So you bring this to a boil.
Yeah, right.
Okay. This is a healthy soup. We modified it from the book. I hope everyone's having a great start to the year so far. Wish you health, wealth, and happiness.
開一飄。
Peel it? You want me to peel it?
嗱，我呢個手腫咗㗎，I don't know why.
Let me do it then.
No, 你唔知道啫。
我知道，哎。
柴歐點你陣間好滑㗎，又識你睇住我，你next time你就識啊嘛，批咗佢啦，就佢入邊有個絲嘅啫，你陣切晒我過去喎。
Slippery.
Yeah, 好 slippery 得。Now you cut it like this. And 呢度呢個 slit 啊，呢個 open 嘅呢隻，喺呢度 cut 咗佢兩下 over here too。佢呢度有啲絲啊，小心一路就絲，搣咗佢抌咗過去。有啲人生食唔做沙律啊，擺多。
Cold salad?
Cold salad.
Chinese people do that?
No, Chinese people always cook things to eat, never eat raw things.
Sure.
Only low fan. Cut in small pieces. 俾佢一裝 open it.
Mamma mia! What kind of soup do you like to make during the winter time? Let me know in the comments below.
Anytime you want this.
I'm trying to learn more about Chinese soup. It's very interesting to me. That's why I bought the book. Chinese herbs, Chinese soups, Mamma mia. 中文點講？
中文叫合掌瓜。
合掌瓜？
咁樣嘅，唔係啊，呢個手掌啊，咁啊合落係。
Why your hand hurts?
唔係香啊，呢個好似腫咗咁，我搽咗。
How come 中咗要打？ How come you get allergic?
冇嘢，I don't know why 腫咗咧，我搽啲打。
Why it looks so thick? I don't know what happened.
Huh?
What did you eat yesterday?
Nuts? I don't know.
Yeah, it looks 腫。
係腫咗呢度。
痛唔痛？
Yes, a little bit. 等我搽咗啲，搽咗落去。OK，而家有。
冇食咁多垃圾。Yeah. See you in a bit. Mamma mia. Wai San.
Wai San，睇你試啊！佢有 fresh one，因為我冇 fresh one，我俾 dry 咁。
Chinese yam is plucked in the winter after the stalk and leaves have withered. It nourishes the spleen and stomach and restores the functions of the lungs and kidneys. Not just for medicinal purposes, stir-fried Chinese yam is a popular dish throughout China. The perennial climbing vine is farmed in China, Korea, and Japan. Mamma mia! Probably buy it at a Chinese supermarket, right?
Yeah，巴閉。
What do you mean 八百？A B C D E F.
佢講嘅柴歐迪啊，點樣呢度有柴歐迪？即係 pass，you just。
Okay, the green thing are rich in amino acids and vitamin C. The squash, it's a squash, is believed to increase immunity against illness. That sounds good. We all need that. We all need that booster. You know what I'm saying? That natural booster. Lower blood pressure and improve intelligence in children because it's rich in zinc. That's why I'm sick.
我哋冇細個嗰陣時未有得買啊。
That's why I'm smart. A relative of the cucumber family, the fruit has a bland taste but is often stir-fried in Chinese dishes.
OK，
Wow.
咁好嘢㗎。呢個咧，呢個點講啊
That's lily bulbs.
？Lily bulb 我一下啦，等陣。
Oh, you add lily bulbs too?
Yeah, what you say?
Lily bulbs originated in China but is now grown in North America and Europe. Mamma mia! They are known to nourish yin qi and restore lung function. What's a yin qi? Like the energy of the body.
They have fresh one too. In Hong Kong, they sell them fresh one. It's like 一朵 flower 咁樣㗎。
As well as calm the heart and the mind. I need that.
That's the
Has
one.
an excellent reputation for breaking prolonged coughs, reducing heart palpitations, and healing insomnia and dead energy source. Okay, we need that too.
我就喺度煲埋佢。
Makhana.
其實
Chisat. Makhana is the mature dried seed kernel of a plant in the water lily family. It is steamed and processed with salt and is mainly produced in Jiaoqing, a prefecture in Guangdong, China. Shout out to my ancestors in Guangdong, China. Yeah.
who knows?
Shit, who knows?
Who knows what it is?
Makhana invigorates the spleen and removes dampness. In turn, it strengthens the kidneys and its essence.
誒
Yeah, what?
誒，記得咧，我年舊時寄去睇嘢啫。
If I have to, I'm gonna go to that store and buy it.
It doesn't matter.
I'll go to that store and buy it.
OK。需要銀錢磅嘛？
呢隻銀聽$5 a pound.
Yeah，係啊。啊，
Not
初還 Yeah。
$5.99 a pound.
Yeah，$6 一 pound 啊，係啊，佢哋
Bible bazaar.
Yeah。誒，散網啊！你唔識江海散話？呢個知道乜啊？你唔知道？Help me 批散好嘛
Okay.
行。啊，好靚啊咪。OK。
You don't add the stuff yet?
No, half hour 就 add 晒 olive and add 嗰啲落去。
So you boil for like an hour?
half hour。
Machine. Nice.
same thing 舊時嘅啫。
It's big.
快。
Thai?
散，
Thai some.
即係梳咁樣啦。
Okay.
OK，我就
Turn it on. This one.
未好似normal 又
Okay,
heavy。
first turn it on. Shit. No, this one. Hachi phone. Turn it on. Okay, 당했잖아. This changed.
normal right?
Like, you see this?
Yeah.
Look. You turn this,
Yeah.
like normal,
normal.
and then look, it changed normal.
Yeah.
So high, medium.
hot water. OK，咁啊，and then 呢度洗嘛。
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, push button. 92 minutes.
Light, what are you doing? Okay, after 30 minutes.
嗰度合掌瓜。
Lily flower. Fujo.
補出嚟，another 20 minutes。
You sure? Shit.
呢個嘢過嚟個，我食 crab。
Why don't you put it in the bowls?
誒，唔使洗煲啦。
So now you boil for 20 minutes,
Yes.
and then you add the fujo.
Right. 我切開佢唔好咁大嚿，點樣食咧？係嘛
You want me to chit? Your hand hurts.
？No，我整比較啲剪就 OK 啊啦。OK。That's it.
Now how long you boil?
10 minutes.
And
Yeah.
then shut it off.
Sit
And then we
down.
have the soup.
Yeah, right.
Okay, thank you, Papa.
That's it.
Add that too.
你先唔好抌落去啦。That's it. Yeah, another 10 minutes 食得啦。
I want to wish everyone a happy Lunar New Year. San Nin Phai Lok, Kung Hei Fa Choi, Sam Sang Si Sing, Nin Nin Yao Yi, Sun Tai Kin Hong, everyone. What else did I want to say?
That's all. 完啦。
No, there's another thing too. Thank you so much for your support. When I first started filming these videos with my grandmother, I thought that no one would really watch these. These are more for just for me and my experience with Papa, learning from her, learning Chinese culture. So it's been heartfelt, heartwarming experience for me, and I'm happy to share it with you. With that said, I've recently been compiling some of Papa's recipes, some of my favorite recipes that she used to cook for me when I was younger, into a little Cantonese cooking course that I'm launching right now. So hit the link in the description of the video. I'll put it on the screen too. There's going to be several recipes, the different vegetables that we like to eat, the different sauces that we use, and some dishes that I want to continue making for my family if I ever have a family. Because I'm young, so I documented these recipes and I want to share them with you. So go to the link in the description of this video. I'll put it on the screen too. Yeah, it's a way for you to support me on what I'm doing, and I want to give you something back. Thank you so much, and I wish you health, wealth, and happiness. Happy New Year. Papa, when you put the fujuk in, how long did it cook for?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, there's the soup. Look how good it is. After the long awaitedness, we're gonna try out Papa's soup. Perfect on a wintry day. Chinese cooking course link below if you'd like to support us. Happy New Year. Wish you and your family health, wealth, and happiness. Peace.